Hi viewers, welcome to Vedic Astro Healers. Today I am going to take up the topic sadness and Saturn. So sadness, if you see and observe, we never accept sadness exists in us. Sadness always tucks under the fear and it is never exposed out. And if you watch anger, it is the byproduct of the fear and stuck sadness, and we never realize that sadness exists in us. Why we don't agree sadness? Because from our childhood we are conditioned that if we cry, then it is a sign of weakness. So we are conditioned to stuff it within us, which is the other way around that we should behave, but we never do it. What does the sadness do to us and our body? The stuffed sadness, it builds up weight in you. I mean, the person with extreme sadness has a overweight on his shoulders. So, if you see someone having a shoulder problem with a frozen joints, frozen muscles, then definitely he is suffering with an extreme sadness that he is stuffing inside, and he never accept nor shed his tears out to lose his weight. So this is what sadness does. So what is the planet that is associated with the sadness? As you all know, Saturn is a very slow planet. So like sadness, it doesn't allow you to know what you are going through. Slowly it acts, and on long run it puts in front of you your own major karma as a problem, physical or on mental plane. So what does Saturn do? Saturn gives you the fruits of your karma of past life in the periods of Sadesati or Astamashani or Chaturdashani periods, wherein Saturn makes the person go through his karma based on his good and bad deeds in the current and the past life. So, this is the period where the people tend to pick up the sadness and suffer. Why Saturn is so important is that if you observe, there is any conjugation of Moon, Saturn, and Rahu. If you see, Moon carries a fear, Saturn carries sadness, and Rahu guilt. The combination of three is very dangerous, as you can see these people suffering or are probable to suffer with cancer in their life. So, a person who has a conjugation of Saturn, Rahu, Moon, or Mars, Rahu, Moon, they are definitely prone for cancer. Even if they are not conjugated, even they are mutually aspected, or even if they are aspected by Jupiter, definitely that person is prone for cancer. So, friends, I suggest, if you see any of these combinations in your chart, definitely meet an astrologer and take necessary suggestions in order to tackle this problem. So, now, how to deal with this sadness? If you wish to cry on any grief, shut yourself in a room and please do it. This is the best remedy how you can exit from your sadness. There is no medicine best than this, but our ego, our conditioning, our outer world never allow us to do it. So, friends, whenever you are in grief, take time, keep yourself away from others, isolate, and just cry off and shed your weight. This is the best part that you can do. When we go to the remedies of Saturn, everyone suggests you to perform Rudrabhishek or perform Hanuman Chalisa Parayana. But as per my knowledge, Saturn rather than mantra gets appreciated if you do a physical remedy that bring out the people to whom you need to help. You need to help people who do physical work more, like Anganwadis, people who work on machinery, hard work, who are on electrical lines continuously. Such people needs help. So you should help them, or else you should help old people or physically challenged people. These helping these people is the best remedy of Saturn. Even if you have body pains because of your sadness, you can donate rice to the beggars on the streets, which will help you to get out of that sadness. This is the best remedy. So whenever everyone gets feared when they see Saturn troubling them, but this is the blessed planet that gets appeased with the physical help you do. So don't be afraid of Saturn, just do the physical help. He will bless you. The only expectation of Saturn is when the Saturn period is running, person should be straightforward and follow dharma. Any activity that is against dharma or any shortcuts or greediness in accumulating wealth, definitely in the Saturn period you are inviting your karma to stab you and make you pay for it. Hence, friends, this is how you can deal with sadness as well as Saturn. Be careful, be noticed. If you see any combination of Mars, Rahu, Moon conjugation or Saturn, Moon, Rahu conjugation or aspects, or Jupiter aspect on any of these three, definitely it is a time to realize that you need to meet an astrologer immediately to get a good remedy. Thank you. A short note, I have released my online website www.vedicastrohealers.com. So all of the viewers, if they wish to have a consultation online, which I prefer in this COVID situation, or they want to personally visit can register through that site and get themselves helped or healed. Thank you.